My name is Jacob Wolf. I'm the executive chef at Slate Restaurant. I grew up in South Florida, and then when I was 15, I moved to Atlanta, Georgia, and I did all of my cooking there. And I moved here about 3 years ago to help open Slate and be a part of Slate. Here at Slate, my favorite food item is probably the smoked brisket. We serve it at all 3 meal periods between our brunch, lunch, and dinner, all different ways. Especially at dinner, the set changes throughout the seasons, trying to stay seasonal and local, but the brisket will always stay the same. It's one of my favorite items because I help create the dish from the very beginning. I feel like I'm very good when it comes to large meat cookery, and it's very tender, very juicy, very flavorful dish, and it can go well, like I said, in all 3 meal periods.